Ready?
Yeah.
Right then, tubes.
Do you want it on you?
On this now, not too close. This is just a water shield. You take that off first, then you prise out the wedge, right? The wedge, and then now I've done 3, not too close. So you just got to pull them through the dust shield. To get these 8 tubes, I'm using a flat screwdriver. Press down on your tab, right, pop straight out, right, another one, there's tabs in there, press down on your tab, hold your dust shield, pull that out as well, right, the next one, if you show down in the airflow, can you see now there's a tab, hold that back and pull it out, there you are, it's overflow tubes, alright. Okay, so now you're left with this lot tubes, look, see? Now I've just got to figure out how these come apart. I need a pin or something, I think, to poke down there. I think so, yes. I need something. I've used a little screwdriver to do that one. So basically that's all off. So that goes on there like that, tubes. You don't have to be too close. And then your wedge goes in, and once the wedge is pressed in, it locks all them into place.
Wedgie.
Okay? That's a wedgie thing. Alright, so I'm going to put that in with my parts thing over here. My wife will let me buy. Put that in there, tubes. We've got to get a pin or something. I'm not sure how these come out, tubes. I think I need a pin to put in there. I'm not sure.
Well, do you want me to get my sewing tin?
Yeah, but we'll
see if you
look
need
at that later, tubes. I'm not sure how they come out. I think that's not little enough. Well, oh, excuse me, tubes. You see, you can't risk damaging anything of this. So, show the tubes where we are. That's where we've got for now, tubes. Pulled the wires through a bit. Alright, so that's the update on the handlebar change. I just thought I'd show you I'm taking them apart. When I assemble it, I'll show you how to assemble it and how to take it apart. I'll make sure my wife's here on the other side to record me taking it apart. Now I know, figured it out how to do it. I'll know next time. So trick check, catch you later.